looking at A, but today A is making the O sound, just to make your life really easy. And it comes in the word was. So w, o, z. Okay, and we know that that A is actually making an O sound in that. It comes in words like wash, w, o, sh. Notice again, the O sound is made by an A. Wasp. Got a nice little practice of those little letter patterns there, haven't you? Okay, so you can see wash is was with a H and wasp is was with a P on the end. And then squad. Squaw. O. D. You think it would be an O, but it's an A. Squad. Squad. Watch. So you've got the ch sound in that, which is the TCH, which is a good pattern to remember. And then the last one I'm going to look at is wander. And some people think this is wonder, but it's wander. I wander around. To wander around is to move around without any purpose, really, to have a wander. If only we could be having a wander around the shops right now, which is where you have a look around, no particular purpose. Okay, so have a little pause, have a little go. Just check those nice spiky W's, please, no loopy ones, and see how you get on. Okay, unpause now, and then we've got our sentence. The squad watched the wasp wander around the watch. The squad watched the wasp wander around the watch. And I've used watch twice there. I've used it as the verb to watch, and then the noun, the name of the watch that somebody obviously wears on their wrist. So the squad watched the wasp wander around the watch. Pause, unpause, and here we go. The squad watched the wasp wander around the watch. Okay, so did you get the ED on that watched? It's quite hard to hear. Watched. You sound like you're making a t sound, but you know to watch, to do something in the past, you add ED. Okay, so have a good look. If you've spelt something wrong, write it again. Have another go. Notice how all my W's are really nice. My sizing's pretty good on that line there, isn't it? Everything's in line. Is it on the line? Don't have it all skirting all over the place. Really think about it. Good handwriting really helps presentation, really helps how everybody feels about your writing. So really go for it. And once you've learned how to do it, you don't actually have to think about it. It becomes automatic. Well done.